Hmm.
Hello, Shobna.
Hello, Sangeeta.
Do you go to market?
Yes, I go to market.
Do you talk with your husband?
Yes, I talk with my husband sometime.
Do you do worship daily?
Yes, I do worship daily.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like me?
Because you are good girl.
Okay. Does your daughter go to school daily?
Yes, she does go to school daily.
Yeah, yes, she goes to school daily.
Sorry. Yes, she goes to school daily.
Does she talk with her father?
Yes, she talks with her father.
Does she play with her father?
Yes, she does. Sorry. Yes, she plays with father
Okay. Uh, why does she play with her father?
because she is love. Sorry, because she loves him.
Okay. Does your husband go to market daily?
Yes, my husband. No, pardon, please. First of all, question.
Does your husband go to market daily?
Yes, my husband goes daily market. Goes market daily.
Okay, goes to market daily.
Market.
Does he go to park daily?
Yes, he goes. Yes, he goes to park daily.
Does your daughter go to park daily?
Yes, she goes park daily.
Goes to park daily. To लगाओ.
Sorry, goes to park daily.
Do you go to park daily?
Yes, I go to park daily.
When do you go to park daily? When
Well,
कब समय हम
I I goes. Sorry, I go to park around 4 p.m.
When does your husband go to park daily?
My husband goes to park around 8 p.m. at evening time. At evening,
Okay. What does he do there?
he करना ना he does running. He does running uh to park.
Okay. So does he like it?
Yes, he likes to exercise. Do exercise daily.
Okay. Does he do yoga?
Yes, he does yoga. He does yoga daily.
So does do you teach yoga to your daughter?
No, I'm not teach.
I don't.
Sorry, I don't teach yoga to my daughter.
Does your husband teach yoga to your daughter?
Yes, he does
He
teach
teaches. He
yoga.
teaches.
अच्छा does नहीं लगेगा ना.
नहीं नहीं.
he teaches to yoga to my daughter.
ये कोशिश करो कि सिंपल सेंटेंस में सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ आप डज नहीं लगाओ. ठीक है.
ठीक है ठीक है.
ओके. सो व्हेन डू यू कम फ्रॉम पार्क टू योर होम?
they are होगा ना कि वो
आई
लोग.
आई यू बोली ना. व्हेन डू यू कम टू होम फ्रॉम
I
पार्क?
I
पार्क
I
से
I
घर कब आते हो?
I come around around after 1 hour.
ओके. डज सी डिमांड टू योर डज सी डिमांड to her father for toys?
Yes, she demands a toy
Does he
to her
like
father.
does he like pizza?
Yes, she like to eat pizza.
She likes. She likes pizza. She likes to
Yes,
eat pizza.
she likes to.
Does your husband like pizza?
Yes, my husband likes pizza too much.
Okay. Which pizza does he eat whenever he go to mall and also Domino's shop?
He he likes to eat kadhai paneer flavor pizza.
Okay. Does he eat burger?
Yes, he eats burger.
Which
Burger.
which burger does he eat?
Uh, he he eats sometime. Not he eats every
No, I'm talking
every.
about does he eat paneer burger? Does he eat
Okay.
non-veg burger?
He eats he eats both flavors of burger, pizza. He likes to eat non-veg burger. He likes to eat veg burger.
Okay, do you like water balls? Water balls,
What
Fulki?
full ki? Acha. Yes, he like yeah,
Do you
huh.
like
Yes, I like to eat pani puri.
water balls? Golgappe. So, how many fulkis, yeah, how many water balls do you eat in one time?
I eat only 5 to 6 pani puri one time.
Okay. Do you make tea?
Yes, I make no. That time I not make tea.
Okay. चलो आप क्वेश्चंस करो ऐसे ही करो और
क्वेश्चन करने में तो मेरी जान निकल जाती है।
मजा आया कि नहीं आया प्रैक्टिस में ये बताओ
नहीं, मेरे को आंसर देने में तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है पर
हाँ
जब मैंने
क्वेश्चंस करने में भी बहुत मजा आता है जब आप बनने लगेगा ना
हाँ
थोड़ा मुझे यही करना है
क्वेश्चन करने में पता है मेरा पता नहीं
पता
कि
है मैंने 8 मिनट कंटिन्यू क्वेश्चंस करे हैं और
अच्छा मुझसे
और आपने कंटिन्यू मुझे आंसर भी करे हो इंग्लिश में टोटल
मतलब मेरी प्रोबेबिलिटी हाउ मच प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एरर
नथिंग मच
ओके मैं 70
don't
टू
think about your mistakes just you have to
ओके
speak fluently
ओके
ओके
ठीक है अ,
क्योंकि मिस्टेक दूर करने के लिए मैं हूं ना मैं सब इरेज कर दूंगी सब जहां पे भी होती है मैं तुरंत टोक देती हूँ
ओके
इसलिए
वे
हम्म
सो आई आस्क सम क्वेश्चन टू यू वेयर डू यू वेयर डू यू लिव
आई लिव इन जबलपुर
वेयर डू यू लिव इन जबलपुर एरिया
आई लिव इन दमोनाका
ओके ओके डू यू डू यू हैव डॉटर
यस आई हैव 2 daughters
डू यू हैव डू यू हैव ओन कंप्यूटर
यस आई हैव माई ओन कंप्यूटर
Okay. Do you uh, do you like
राइटिंग
write?